Go, Twin Arches in Tennessee. We're hiking down. We're gonna hike across an arch and then maybe up to the other peak out there. Let's see. In case you can't tell how steep these stairs are, I'm putting the camera level to the horizon. Izzy is just about 3 steps below me, and you can't even see her. I have to tilt the camera down to get to Izzy. So these stairs are almost more like a ladder.
Welcome back to Just in Time 2.0. Hi guys, we are back in Big South Fork.
All right.
After hiking 5 miles for
They're
today,
not real wide either.
from Slave Falls, you can actually hike from Slave Falls to here. Pero wala namin time. So this is our second time around here. If you guys kung naamoy suggestions, comments, you can comment it below. I appreciate it so much. Please enjoy watching.
Yeah, we've been here before. We have a longer video. We just come out today as a refresher for ourselves and figure we'll take you all along with us. Last time we did this hike, we spent most of the day here. Now we have maybe an hour round trip before it gets dark. So we're moving quick. Get it, baby. I think we're on top of the arch, we're about to be.
Yeah, just about already.
Yeah. Yeah, we're on top of one of the big ones right now. See right there where it drops off?
It's right there.
Yeah. This is the top of the arch. See that way drop off? This way drop off? Every which way drop off. Nothing below us. Just a big stone opening. Now it takes you down. You want to go down? We're going to go up. You want to go down and reach arches?
Yeah.
Okay, then yeah, that way, sorry.
So I gotta plan about this way or that way?
Well, that way it goes up to the top of the other peak,
Yeah.
which is pretty cool out that way too, but it takes you down to the base of the arches. Yeah, well, all these steps. Yeah. Oh, geez. God, this is steep, huh? These stairs are a lot easier than the rock wall. Give it that much. Ooh, big step down. Almost missed that one. Yep, so you got twin arches right here. The one to our left as we come down, we're just up there on top of that one. And then to our right, there's another arch over that way. So there's two huge arches down here. When we go back, let's probably go back the top way. There's more light up there. All right. See, there's one big one over there. Shining through. There's one over that way. Which one do you want to go to first? This one? Okay. This is the south arch. The other one is the north arch. Coming up here, you might recognize this view from the front page of our website, because we had this shot here featured as our main image on our homepage.
This.
Yeah.
This. South arch.
So big, beautiful stone arches right here in Tennessee. You have to come check out with us someday. Very impressive, huh? Hi, baby. Believe it or not, that dark hole right there, you go all the way through that. We've done it. It's pretty fun. There we go. Okay, so we just ran down to South Arch. We're running over here to North Arch real quick. This one's actually taller, but this one looks almost more like a bridge. Oh, the sunlight's coming right through the center of it. That's cool. Oh, I'm gonna go back and take a picture. This is North Arch. That's the trail we hiked across the top. Going up that way takes you back out to the parking lot. I'm gonna go down in the valley below as a way out as well. But tonight we came in through that ride up top. Pretty cool. And you can hike to Slave Falls from here, 3.5 miles. It's actually shorter to walk than to drive, but faster to drive than to walk. Yeah. Whew. Okay, so we just came back up those stairs down from being down at the base of the arches here. That's the top of the North Arch. Right now we're going to cross over the South Arch. We're going to go up here to the peak we saw earlier. Let's check it out. Should be pretty nice views from up here. A little bit of a rock scramble, but nothing too crazy. Look what I found. Whew, look at the views though. On top of the world, baby. Whew.
Say hi to my video.
Hi. You waiting for me, huh?
Yeah. Hi.
Hi, baby. All right. So, here we have it. Looking out west toward Nashville. Still a lot of rolling hills. As we pan out east, you can see that rock rim out there. It's another canyon with a bunch of cliff faces and all. Way beyond that, you see more mountain peaks. I forget the name of that mountain range. I'm gonna have to look it up. But a little past that, further east out, you get the Smoky Mountains and everything. And here we are on one of the peaks within Big South Fork, over by the Twin Arches. Our parking lot's back out that way on that other peak. So you might be able to see through the woods here. So basically wants to go back down across the top of the arches and then up those really steep stairs and kind of back out to that ridge line So, you're probably wondering why I'm so out of breath and Izzy's just sitting here cool as a cucumber. Because somebody, and by somebody, that's me, we came up here and shot this scene once, and I realized, well, no, don't worry, the camera was on. The camera was on, however, it was not on video mode, it was on photo mode.
The whole time.
So it might as well have been off, because
it was in photo.
All of it was not shot. So I had to run back down so we can shoot this sequence and then run back up while Izzy patiently waited for me here. But at least you guys enjoy a nice cool breeze while I was running up and down the mountain to capture this video that I messed up and lost.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's a good day. It's about to get dark soon, so I guess we're gonna go ahead and out of here soon before it gets dark. But it's a nice view though. And anywho, thank you guys for watching.
Salamat po. What time is it? Do your little finger thing. What do you say?
From here?
Yeah.
7 o'clock.
I see. If this sorcery works.
My phone is over that way.
It is 6:55. You're 5 minutes off, ma'am.
What?
But I call it good enough. I think it works. That's pretty incredible.
Yeah.
So she often does that. She goes, and she'll just do this little thing with the sky, and she'll judge time based on that. I'm not sure how scientific that is, but she's always pretty
to me. I'm very
accurate.
Not accurate, but it's almost right on the dot.
I suppose in 5 minutes, if you can just go like, I think that's pretty good. I tell you, she's like a ninja. Just don't fall off the mountain.
So, enjoy the view. Bye. Salamat sa pagtanaw. You guys have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys soon. Salamat po.